Bonefish. Clownfish or Amphiprion, Amphiprion sp. is a genus of marine fish in the family Pomacentridae. Like most marine fish, clownfish have a bright, memorable appearance. They are fish with a deep orange or red color and distinctive white stripes on their bodies. The basic color of the clownfish varies from bright orange to red and yellow. The body is crossed by transverse broad white stripes. Stripes, often with black trim, which is also present on all fins. The iris of the eyes is bright orange. The average size of clownfish is 7 centimeters, some specimens grow to 11 centimeters. Females are larger and more aggressive than males. Body flattened at the sides, back high, head short. The dorsal fin is divided into two parts, a stiffer anterior part, 10 rays. The dorsal fin is divided into two parts, a stiffer anterior part, 10 rays, and a softer posterior part, 14 to 17 rays. The anal fin is displaced to the rounded caudal fin. Pectoral fins large, fan-shaped. An interesting feature of amphiprions is their symbiosis, mutually beneficial cohabitation of two organisms with different species actinids. These coelenterates have tentacles with stinging cells that can leave very severe burns or even kill small animals. However, clownfish use actinid tentacles as a natural refuge, and why doesn't actinia venom work on these fish? And the answer is quite simple. In the process of evolution, amphiprions have adapted to secrete a special protective mucus that makes the fish insensitive to actinid venom. Before settling in their new home, clownfish gently give themselves a sting, and it's in response to this irritation that the fish produce the necessary mucus. The amphiprion is thus well protected from attack by other species. At the first sign of danger, the fish hide among the tentacles of the actinia, and bad things will happen to anyone who tries to follow them. A large number of burns, at least, guaranteed. For this reason, clownfish rarely swim far from their home. But the clownfish themselves are of great benefit to the coelenterates, cleaning the tentacles of food debris and ventilating the water between and by luring in other fish with their bright colors. Clownfish are very territorial. If there are not enough actinids in the area, there will be a bloody battle between the fish for a place in the sun. Researchers believe that the brightly colored fish emerged precisely as a means of warning their own relatives that the place is taken. After spawning, the male takes care of his young, swirling the eggs to create a water current, removing the unviable eggs. The fecundity of the female ranges from 400 to 1500 eggs. The incubation of the eggs lasts about 7 to 10 days, and within 2 weeks after birth, the fish start searching for their first actinia. All fry are born male and only become female under certain circumstances.